Are you tired of coming home to a space that lacks personality and style? Picture this. After a long day at work, you walk through the door of your home, hoping to unwind and relax. But instead, you're greeted by bland walls and outdated furniture, leaving you feeling uninspired and disconnected from your surroundings. But fear not, because in this video, we're about to embark on a journey together. A journey filled with over 30 interior design ideas that will transform your home into a stunning sanctuary you'll never want to leave. So sit back, grab a cup of tea, and get ready to discover the endless possibilities that await you. Let's start from our first idea. Open concept. Living. Tear down those walls. Open up your space to create a seamless flow between the living room, dining area, and kitchen. It's perfect for hosting gatherings and allows for natural light to flood in. Biophilic design. Embrace nature indoors. Incorporate plants, natural materials like wood and stone, and plenty of sunlight to create a calming and rejuvenating atmosphere. Statement lighting. Make a bold statement with unique lighting fixtures, from sleek pendant lights to eye-catching chandeliers. Let your lighting choices reflect your personality and style. Cozy reading nooks. Create cozy corners dedicated to relaxation and reading. A comfy armchair, a soft throw blanket, and a shelf filled with your favorite books. What more could you ask for? Mixing textures. History. Add depth and visual interest by mixing different textures. Think velvet sofas, woven rugs, and smooth marble countertops for a luxurious yet inviting feel. Gallery walls. Turn your walls into a work of art. Create a gallery wall filled with your favorite prints, photographs, and artwork to add personality and charm to any room. Smart home technology. Embrace the future with smart home technology. From automated lighting and thermostats to voice-controlled assistants, make your home more efficient and convenient. Multifunctional furniture. Make the most of your space with multifunctional furniture pieces. Think storage ottomans, sofa beds, and extendable dining tables for added versatility. Maximalism. Go big or go home. Embrace maximalism with bold patterns, vibrant colors, and eclectic décor, pieces for a playful and energetic vibe. Sustainable design. Reduce your carbon footprint with sustainable design choices. Opt for eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, and vintage or upcycled furniture pieces. Monochrome magic. Keep it sleek and sophisticated with a monochrome color palette. Whether it's all-white elegance or moody blacks, monochrome never goes out of style. Statement ceilings. Don't forget to look up. Make a statement with your ceiling by adding bold paint colors, intricate wallpapers, or decorative molding for an unexpected twist. Coastal vibes. Bring the beach to you with coastal-inspired design elements. Think light and breezy fabrics, nautical accents, and a soothing color. Palette inspired by the sea and sky. Hygge-inspired spaces. Embrace the Danish concept of hygge with cozy and inviting spaces. Soft textiles, warm lighting, and minimalist decor create a sense of comfort and contentment. Art Deco glamour. Channel the roaring 20s with Art Deco-inspired design. Think geometric shapes, luxurious materials like brass and velvet, and bold pops of color for a touch of old Hollywood glamour. Industrial chic. Embrace the beauty of raw materials with industrial chic design. Exposed brick, metal accents, and reclaimed wood bring a sense of urban sophistication to any space. Mood-boosting colors. Lift your spirits with mood-boosting colors. Opt for cheerful yellows, calming blues, or energizing greens to create a positive and uplifting atmosphere. Japandi fusion. Combine the best of Japanese and Scandinavian design with Japandi fusion. Clean lines, natural materials, and a neutral color palette create a harmonious and serene living space. Luxurious bedding. Transform your bedroom into a luxurious retreat with high-quality bedding. Invest in soft sheets, plush pillows, and a cozy duvet to ensure a good night's sleep. Mid-century modern. Pay homage to the past with mid-century modern design. Clean lines, organic shapes, and iconic furniture pieces create a timeless and sophisticated look. Statement backsplashes. Add a pop of personality to your kitchen with a statement backsplash. Whether it's colorful tiles, geometric patterns, or intricate mosaics, let your backsplash steal the show. Maximized storage. Say goodbye to clutter with maximized storage solutions. From built-in cabinets to hidden storage compartments, find clever ways to keep your space organized and tidy. Bold wallpaper. Make a statement with bold wallpaper choices. From oversized florals to geometric prints, wallpaper adds depth and personality to any room. Velvet accents. Add a touch of luxury with velvet accents. Velvet sofas, throw pillows, and curtains bring texture and elegance to any space. Dining alfresco. Take your dining experience outdoors with a stylish alfresco dining area. Whether it's a cozy patio or a spacious deck, create a welcoming space for outdoor entertaining. Sleek bathroom design. Create a spa-like retreat with sleek bathroom design. Clean lines, minimalist fixtures, and luxurious finishes transform your bathroom into a sanctuary of relaxation. Colorful kitchen cabinets. Say goodbye to boring kitchen cabinets. Add a pop of color with brightly colored cabinets for a playful and modern look. Smart storage solutions. Make the most of every inch of space with smart storage solutions. From pull-out pantry shelves to underbed storage bins, find creative ways to maximize storage in every room. Eclectic accents. Mix and match different styles and eras with eclectic accents. From vintage finds to global treasures, let your decor tell a story and reflect your unique personality. Personalized touches. Finally, don't forget to add personalized touches to make your space truly feel like home. Whether it's family photos, heirloom treasures, or handmade artwork, let your personality shine through in every corner. Feeling inspired by these modern interior design ideas? Stay tuned as we continue our journey through the latest trends and innovations in home design. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tutorials, and inspiration on creating the home of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.